Hey, how's it going? So I have another box of 2020 Topps Triple Threads Baseball. I believe this is box number 6. I'm going to go ahead and rip into this right now. Wish me luck. Definitely have had a good success if you've been watching my videos with Triple Threads this year. Considering my first box was amazing for me. This is actually a celebration box, if there is such a thing. I am celebrating for the Dodgers winning the World Series in 2020. So, celebration box. Let's see which one will go first here. Seem about the same. Let's see what I get. Would be cool to hit a Dodger. Considering it is a celebration box, that is really super fluffy. A lot of air. A lot of air. Alright. Let's see what I get here. A somewhat thick card on the back. Alright. So we got a Cunha. I don't have my cards here. Get this set up as usual. I'm always forgetting to do that. Always put them on a little card. Cunha, that is numbered to 199. Nice orange. Vato 275. Cal Ripken Jr. Base. Scherzer. And Goldschmidt. And let's flip it around. Nice. Trey Mancini to 36, number 36 of 36. Little simple relic there. Actually, let me put this over here. Alright, and let's see what the auto is. Ooh, green. Seth Brown. Ooh, nice patch there. 29 of 35. Was not expecting that patch. Nice. Nice rookie. Seth Brown. That's cool. Alright. Let's go for pack 2. Yep, pretty much the same. Oh gosh. Cat going crazy at my door, right on schedule. Nolan Ryan to 199. Machado 275. Cunha. Nolan Ryan. Molina. And the flip. Ooh, nice. Nico Horner. Auto relic. Numbered 46 of 75. And the relic is, oh, Sonny Gray, 10 of 27. Don't know what's going on with my cat. I think he's upset. He cannot come in. So nice sunny days. That's cool. Purple. Nice looking card there. Cool. So there you go. There's a recap. Got the sunny days. Seth Brown. Auto relic, triple relic with a patch there. Nice unexpected patch. Thick Trey Mancini to, what is that? 36 of 36. And where'd that other hit go? It looks like I put it in the stack. Nico Horner. So there you go. Thanks for watching box number 6 of 2020 Topps Triple Threads Baseball. Catch y'all later. Peace.